I never made it, but I know what it takes.
Alright, boys and girls, some of you might remember this motor. This is the 1915 that had the stuck lifters, and for some reason just would not fire up. I never really investigated all the way why. I think it was the 6-volt starter in my opinion. But the heads on this is some of the parts I traded for, and I got to get them off there. So we're going to take off the fan shroud and all the engine tins because these have single springs, and I need to put dual springs on there. And I have that nice little tool, so we'll get to work and I'll take some photos as I go, taking this apart, and that way we can get to working on these heads and start getting my project back together.
Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air.